Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create double exposure editing using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and first of all, you need to add white background to your project. Here I have added the white background. If you want to get this white background, you can go to the stock material and search for the white background. And I'm going to add my video to the timeline, this one. Okay, and I'm just going to cut the video to make it align with the white background. Okay, just like that. And we're going to remove the background of this video. You can go to the remove background and you can select auto removal. But unfortunately, this feature is only for premium user guys. But you can still remove the background of your video by using the custom removal or the chroma key. Okay, and now the background of my video has been removed, and I'm going to go to the adjustment. Go to the adjustment right here, and we can make it black. You can drag it to move and make it black like this. Okay, and we're going to add the second video. I'm going to add this photo, or you can also add your video to the timeline, but here I'm just going to use photo to create the double exposure, and go to the video, go to basic and select blend and choose the screen. Okay, and you can add your video again to the timeline. I'm going to cut it guys. All right, and then we're going to apply mask. Apply the horizontal mask, and you can adjust it like this to create the double exposure. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create double exposure editing using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.